All right, everyone, it's day 2. We're just setting up here, getting ready to go. Lindsay there tweaking her side grab bar so we can do some filming while we're biking.
Yeah, hopefully.
And all that stuff. Anyways, leaving from North Vancouver. Where are we going today?
Today we're going to Langley.
Going to Langley. Going to Langley. Should be about 60K, I believe. Or 50. I don't remember which. Today's either 50 or 60. Tomorrow's either 50 or 60.
Yeah, by the time we stop for lunch and
yeah. So, anyways,
find all our stuff.
We're about to head out. Talk to you guys later. Today on Because We Eat, I got myself a pulled pork bacon sandwich. Lindsay is enjoying her bacon.
And my fat burger.
And her fat burger. We are here at Bacon Food Truck, sampling some of the local flavors. Lindsay says the bacon is fantastic. I haven't yet had any of mine, but I'm sure it's fantastic.
No, we're south of
It's nice to support local businesses. All right, everyone, we are at Starbucks. As you can see, Lindsay's got to get her coffee. Starting day 3, little cloudy, as you can see. We're putting on some jackets to get ourselves warmed up. It's supposed to warm up to almost 20 today, but right now it's a little chill. We're heading to Chilliwack today to go and see my cousin Aaron and his lovely wife and daughter. We'll be staying overnight there and then off to Hope tomorrow. So,
well, new to us wife. They've been married for a while.
Yeah, they've been married for a while.
Finger.
We've never met his wife. He's never met my wife, so he's never met Lindsay. So it'll be firsts all around. Anyways, it'll be good to see them. I haven't seen Aaron in probably 20 plus years. So it's about time. So anyways, talk to you later.